Weather is a dynamic and complex system that affects nearly every aspect of human life. Although we often think of weather simply as sunshine or rain, it is actually the result of interactions between atmospheric pressure, temperature, humidity, and air movement. These factors combine to create both everyday conditions and extreme events. At its most basic level, weather describes short-term atmospheric conditions, while climate refers to long-term patterns observed over many years. For example, a region may have a generally mild climate, but still experience sudden storms or unexpected temperature changes. Sunny conditions occur when high-pressure systems prevent cloud formation, allowing sunlight to reach the Earth's surface directly. Extended periods of intense sunlight can lead to heat waves, which pose serious health risks, especially for vulnerable populations such as the elderly. Prolonged heat can also place pressure on energy supplies, agriculture, and water resources. Cloud formation, by contrast, is typically associated with rising warm air that cools and condenses into water droplets or ice crystals. When these droplets combine and become heavy enough, they fall as precipitation, which may take the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. While moderate rainfall is essential for maintaining ecosystems and supporting food production, excessive rainfall can result in flooding, soil erosion, and infrastructure damage. In colder conditions, precipitation falls as snow. Although snowfall can contribute to water reserves when it melts gradually, sudden or heavy snowstorms can severely disrupt transportation networks. When temperatures fluctuate around freezing point, melted snow may refreeze, creating hazardous layers of ice on roads and pavements. Similarly, frost develops when water vapor freezes directly onto surfaces, often damaging crops and plants. Wind is generated by differences in atmospheric pressure and plays a crucial role in distributing heat and moisture around the planet. In most cases, wind is relatively harmless. However, under certain conditions, it can intensify into severe storms. Thunderstorms, for instance, involve powerful updrafts and electrical activity, producing thunder and lightning. In more extreme cases, tropical systems such as hurricanes develop over warm ocean waters, gaining strength from heat energy before moving toward land. Over continental areas, specific atmospheric conditions may give rise to tornadoes, which are characterized by violently rotating columns of air. Modern weather forecasting relies on advanced satellite technology, radar systems, and complex computer models. Although forecasts have become increasingly accurate, the chaotic nature of the atmosphere means that precise long-term predictions remain challenging. Ultimately, weather is far more than a daily topic of conversation. It influences economic stability, food security, public health, and environmental sustainability. A deeper understanding of atmospheric processes is therefore essential not only for scientists but for society as a whole. How is the weather where you live today? Have you checked the weather forecast lately? Tell me in the comments below.